If you're attending an event hosted by the Career and Co-op Center, you'll notice we sometimes host panel discussions where a group of people share their experiences and insights on a particular topic. With this, what if you wanted to speak with someone who participated in the panel individually? Here are 5 things you might want to consider. 1. Take notes. During the panel discussion, jot down interesting and/or thought-provoking comments that were made, as well as questions you might have for them. This will help inform how you start a conversation with the person of interest. 2. Introduce yourself. Based on your notes, use the information to gracefully start a conversation. For example, "Hi, I'm Anupreet. It's nice to meet you. Thank you so much for sharing your insights and experiences on how you explored non-linear career paths after you decided you wanted to move away from teaching and working in a frontline position to a policy-related role. It's something I've been wanting to do, but never really knew how to begin until now." 3. Have a call to action. During your conversation, keep in mind the question, thought, or idea you jotted down earlier and ask the individual. If you don't have one, that's okay, as you might have decided all you really wanted to do is say thank you to the person for sharing their experiences and insights. 4. Leave with contact information. Remember, be considerate of others. You can wrap up a conversation with a simple, "I really enjoyed our conversation. By the way, do you have a business card or can I connect with you on LinkedIn?" 5. Follow up. Connect with the person, but don't forget to bring up how and where you met them and one element the two of you spoke about. As a friendly reminder, don't ever connect with someone on LinkedIn without a note. This can then lead to an informational interview if you want. For more information or further tips and tricks, visit us at the Career and Co-op Center. Feel free to attend one of our many workshops or even make a one-to-one appointment with our consultants.